Hey guys, today is packing day. So we're heading out to Italy and Greece tomorrow. So today is the fun day. In our last video, we talked about how we are going to just be bringing carry-on luggage versus what we normally bring. So typically when we go, we'll bring one big suitcase. This is the suitcase we took on our last trip. It's a big mama jamba, pretty big one, but we take typically one. We'll each have a side, and we do pretty well with that. But on these international flights, they want $100 coming and going. That's just for the one main flight, and then we're taking multiple other flights throughout on different airlines. They have other charges, I don't know, 50, 60 bucks a bag. So we're going to do it the best way. For us, at least we're going to try. Now, Mark already packed his bag and he actually did really well. So I'm going to take you through my packing. I'm going to speed up the process, but a couple quick things. My carry-on, I got at TJ Maxx for 59 bucks. It is about 22 inches. That is the typical size of what you can bring. This one is super durable. I tried it out 2 weeks ago. I did a girls' weekend with my sister. We just went to a casino locally. I packed it up with all sorts of stuff. So it fits a lot. I always use packing cubes. They're really great because you can get a lot into a little space and then you can kind of have more room in the bag. Amazon, you can get a whole bunch of them for anywhere from 10, 30, depending on how many you want, but love a good packing cube. So stick with me here. Like I said, I'm going to speed this up. We're going to get to the end of it where it's actually packed up, and then I'm going to weigh my bag and I'm going to weigh Mark's bag and we're going to see where we go. Okay, so watch this and wish me luck. Okay, all packed up. The great thing, I actually still have room in my bag. So let me weigh it. Let's see how much we're at. Like I said, the allowance for Scandinavian Airline, that's our main one that we're taking. They said their average, I want to say, was like 17 pounds. Now the bag, supposedly, I think we weighed it. It says it weighs 5.2. It only weighed 5 pounds. So I got one of these cool little luggage scales. I'm going to set it for 18 and we're going to see how we did. Wish me luck. Look at that. Room to spare, folks. I know my arm is shaking. I'm so out of shape. But I still have room to spare. So I might actually throw a couple extra things in there. What we decided we're going to do some laundry in Santorini. So that's maybe the second half of our trip. But I'll probably throw a few extra things in there now that I know I have the room. But let's see what Mark's bag weighed in at. He got his pretty similar to mine. Same type of dimensions. 5 pounds as well. He got his at Kohl's. I think it was like 70 bucks. So let's see what his weighs in at. Here we go. We are good, guys. So look, it can be done. We can travel overseas to foreign countries with carry-ons. We'll report more back on the road and let you know how it goes. But one thing to always consider when you are traveling overseas, especially in Europe, the streets are mainly cobblestone. So if you're going to be lugging around a huge thing of luggage or two luggages, I know a lot of people pack heavy, you're carrying it on these streets. So for me, I want to be quick and easy. I want to be in and out, get where I have to go. These are like fully, what's the word I want to use? They turn around every which way, 360 degrees with their wheels. They're awesome. So always keep that in mind. You will be lugging your luggage around. So if you want to pack heavy and pay the price, more power to you. All right, so we're here at the parking spot. We always park off-site, like we said. It's $6.99 a day uncovered. Our shuttle is here awaiting us. Here we go. They bring us right to the airport, and it's awesome.
Just coming up overhead the Hudson and Manhattan. If you're on the left-hand side, you'll be able to look down to Central Park.
We just finished the first part of our trip, 4.5-hour flight, Phoenix International Airport to JFK International Airport in lovely Queens, New York. We're heading over to the Hampton Inn. The fun has just begun. We will show you around and also grab some New York food before we head out to Italy.
Our home for the evening, the Hampton Inn by Hilton. Super close to JFK with a free shuttle service. We found we got the best price for this hotel after searching many sites using our Capital One Venture card. Not only did we get a great price, but we got 5 times the points. Very clean room, super comfy bed. The bathroom is amazingly clean. And for the ladies, you'll love this. Great amenities. Not only do we have our typical soap and lotion, but in the shower, we've got shampoo, conditioner, and an amazing body wash. All right, we're in Queens, New York. We had to get some New York pizza, a salad, and bon appetit. All right, so we got to JFK. We have about 4 hours before our flight takes off, so we're breaking our own rules here a little bit. We stopped in at a little pub, I'll call it, got a couple drinks, and Mark ordered a big-ass pretzel. Well, we're assuming it's going to be a big-ass pretzel. We'll let you know. But yeah, we'll be off on our flight in a couple hours and heading off to start our trip in Italy.